Honesto Pasimo Jr., a famous 21st century writer in Bicol. This is some information about his personal info and his artwork.
Honesto Jun Pesimo Jr. was a Bicolano writer, teacher, and founding member of Kabulig Bicol, a literary group. He was known for his poetry collection, Bagyo sa Octubre. Published in 2009, Pesimo Jr. was also recognized for his editorial work, including editing Giroc Erotica in 2017 and contributing the literary magazine Bangraw Kan Arte, Literatura Asin Kultura. Sadly, he passed away in Naga City on November 8, 2021.
Honesto John Pesimo Jr., a Bicolano writer, teacher, and organizer for Bicol literature, was a significant figure in the region's cultural scene. He was a founding member of Kabulig Bicol, a group dedicated to Bicol writers, researchers, and critics. He also edited Bangraw, a magazine showcasing Bicol's literary and cultural beauty, and the controversial Giroc Erotica collection in 2017. His poetry collection, Bagyo sa Octubre 2019 and Sa Ngaran ni Anak Aki, Sa Ngalan ng Anak 2020, are regarded sadly passed away in November 2021.
Education Program Supervisor to 1 to 3 years at DepEd Naga City Division, Associate Professor for 16 years at Mariners Polytechnic College in Camarines Sur. Author of several books, including Bagyo sa Oktubre noong 2009 at Sa Ngaran nin Aki o Sa Ngalan ng Anak noong 2020, editor of Giroc Erotica noong 2017, a publication of Kabulig Bicol, editor of Banaraw magazine focused on Bicol literature and culture. Had poems published in Home Life, Philippine Panorama, and various anthologies. His organization's founding member of Kabulig Bicol, a group for Bicol writers, researchers, and critics. Founding member of Pagsirang Secretary of Kabulig Bicol. Honesto Pasimo Jr.'s life, born October 27, 1964 in Dinaga, Naga City. Died November 8, 2021. Had a daughter, Nina Denise G. Pasimo, and an adopted son, Julius Denido Bulahan. About his career, teacher for 24 years at Concepcion Pequena National High School, Naga City. Principal for 3 years at Leon Q. Mercado High School. Education Program Supervisor 1 for 3 years at DepEd Naga City Division. Associate Professor for 16 years at Mariners Polytechnic College in Camarines Sur. Author of several books including Bagyo sa Oktubre noong 2009 and Sa Ngaran nin Aki, Sa Ngalan ng Anak noong 2020. Editor of Giroc Erotica noong 2017.